Welcome to Geraldine Bernales YouTube channel. I'm your little girl vlogger inspiring in Bohol. We have travels, tutorials, and more vlogs. Always remember to subscribe. Have a nice day everyone. Today, my sister will cook french fries for our snack. So, part 2 na po natin to guys. After a minute, the oil boiled already. My sister started cooking and she slowly put the sliced potatoes in the pan. She stirred it slowly and wait until it became golden brown. So habang hinihintay pa po natin mag golden brown yung niluto ng kapatid ko, so ito na po yung part 2 natin guys sa pagluluto niya ng snacks namin. So una po yung tempura at ngayon naman ay french fries. So it will turn into a golden brown if it's already cooked. As you can see, my sister continues stirring it. She stirs it from time to time to avoid overcook. So yun guys, so kung sino man po yung mahilig sa french fries dyan, kagaya namin, ay sana mag-enjoy po kayo habang nanonood po sa niluto ng kapatid ko na snacks namin. As you observe, it's already golden brown. Now, she prepared strainer to put the french fries. We need to use a strainer so that the oil will not be stuck and to avoid eating with too much oily in our french fries. So ayun guys, habang hinihintay po natin maluto yung french fries na niluto ng kapatid ko ngayong araw ay sisimulan na po natin agad yung ating shoutout. So hindi po tayo nakapag-shoutout sa ating part 1, so dito na po tayo sa ating part 2 magsha-shoutout. So nang una, shoutout po kay Auntie Jacqueline, Kuya Junmar Makes Vlog, Ma'am Virginia's channel. Shoutout din po kay Sir Kalive channel, Sir Abanti Bisayata, at shoutout din po kay Ma'am Doray Hapay, Ma'am Flores Alicia, Ma'am Ami Film, Mr. Raymond Estraza. Shoutout din po kay Ma'am Jalene's Vlog, Melly Ricanya, Kirara Property, Ma'am Jael's Life. Shoutout din po kay Ma'am Melody Avan, Sir Jan Aspera TV, Damato Salim Life UK. It's me, Bea UK. So ito po yung first batch ng shoutout natin. So i-continue na lang po natin siya mamaya. So ngayon guys, she put some sliced potato in the pan. She did the same thing and my sister stirred it. And wait until it became golden brown. While she stirred it, she always did the circular motion. Then, she makes sure to stir it from time to time to avoid overcook. As you observe, she continues stirring it. And the long wait is over. Tcharam! It's already cooked. So, ayan na guys, luto na po yung ating french fries for a snack for today. Ayan, so, yung part 1 na pinakita ko guys, yun po yung unang niluto. So, next na po itong niluto ng kapatid ko. So, hiniwalay ko lang po siya ng pag-upload. At this point, my sister put some cheese on the french fries. While putting the cheese, she kept moving the strainer to mix it perfectly. So habang nilalagyan pa po ng kapatid ko yung french fries na snack namin for today, i-continue ko na po yung ating shoutout for this vlog. Ayan, so shoutout po kay Sir Mosisi Kisito. Shoutout din po kay Ma'am Gracia Pham, Nelly Louie, at shoutout din po kay Sir DC TV and Adventures. Shoutout din po kay Sir Benny Utaw at sa kanyang team Utaw. So yun po yung second batch ng ating shoutout. So mamaya na naman po natin siya i-continue. Ayan, so after putting a flavored cheese, she put the french fries into the empty Tupperware. So yun guys. dahan-dahan niya pong ilalagay ito sa empty Tupperware natin. It's done! Are you ready to eat our snacks for today? Here's our ingredients for our French fries snack: oil, sliced potato, and powdered cheese. Here we go! We are done plating the tempura and French fries. In this vlog, I'm now sharing with you the additional snacks that my sister cooked for us. In my previous vlog, I already shared with you the part 1, which is all about how my sister cooked tempura and its delicious sauce. Here is our tempura with sweet, sour, and spicy sauce. So delicious. Very delicious, guys. Ayan, so are you now craving? Kahit ako, guys, nagugutom din po ako habang tinitingnan ko po yung mga snacks namin for today. Ayan, so yun po yung snacks namin for today. Tempura at French fries with delicious sauce po yan. Now, let's continue our shoutout for this vlog. So, shoutout po kay Sir Batuhinay TV Mix Vlog, Sir LMA TV Vlog, Saint Jerry Momar at kay Ma'am Korea Cross Blended. Shoutout din po kay Ma'am Ramville CC Vlog, Sir Saot Vlog at kay Ma'am Ninita Buhulana. I would like to extend my greetings to Sir Picado, Sir Mix Music TV, Sir Paul Denham, at kay Sir Super 30 Ara Bonjour. Requested shoutout galing kay Sir Olik Lito Ribbon. Thank you, sir. And these are the finished look of our snacks for today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!